name is John Shepard. I work for Electrostatic Technology, AEGIS bearing protection rings. This is my third year attending the RPM Symposium at the Air Zoo in Kalamazoo. The product that I represent is the AEGIS bearing protection ring. It is for bearing current mitigation for electric motors on variable frequency controllers. Each year the attendance has grown. I have met some wonderful people, made great contacts with many people. These are all really business leaders. These are decision makers primarily that attend the show. I think that you're going to learn an awful lot that perhaps you don't know even about your own assets. These guys have taken it to a level that I don't see really, but very rarely in my 9-state region that I manage, which is why I'm honored to be here and to be a partner with them. The education is really as good as I've seen anywhere. Technical experts, this morning the keynote speaker heralded as the top reliability engineer for electric motors and rotating assets in the world. In my presentations, every year we bring something new to the table. I would suggest that most of the vendors do. We have new technologies we're introducing, but it's really about meeting people who don't have an understanding of a potential problem that could be solved through a forum like this so that they can run a more productive and profitable organization.